This next patient is a collegiate high jumper who's been launching over bars for years. Now her hips and low back are feeling it. It's time to get her back in the air pain-free. Make sure you follow and subscribe to see more athletes being treated. There we go. Take a deep breath in and out right there. That's what we want. Good. And we'll do the hips first. Right side. Awesome. And then we'll go face down for the mid back. And out. Yeah. That moved enough.
Yeah, it felt like it did for sure.
There we go.
Oh, nice.
How's that feel?
Feels way looser.
Better?
Yeah, I feel like it's moving.
Okay.
That feels much better.
Good
I don't know why
stuff.
it was so bad up there, but.
Weather, workouts.